connected.
Now we've looked at how to install an SRL3 into a helmet, let's look at some basic operations. So to turn a unit on, hold the center button and the plus button.
Hello.
The Sena lady will say hello. You'll notice that there's 4 flashes there which first tell us that the battery is fully charged. We now get the alternating blue and red light which tells us that it's now looking for a phone to pair via Bluetooth. Our headset is now paired. After turning on the unit and successfully pairing it to a telephone, let's look at how we would pair it to another intercom. Simply press and hold the middle button. You'll now hear the message intercom pairing with the red flashing light. This process can be repeated on another Sena intercom and the two will pair automatically. Mesh can also be activated by pressing the button on the right hand side. This will open it into Open Mesh Channel 1 by default. For further settings, refer to the app. To go a little deeper into the menu settings, press and hold the middle button. Firstly, we'll hear intercom pairing. Keep the button held. And this takes us through to the configuration menu. Using the plus and minus, we can navigate through them. The first plus, phone pairing. This is to pair the device to a phone. Second mobile phone pairing. This is to pair it to a secondary phone. Phone selected pairing. This is to pair a device as a telephone only. Media selective pairing is to pair it as a music playing device only. GPS. This will connect your GPS device to the unit. Delete all pairings clears the list of any previously paired devices. Remote control is Sena's compatible handlebar remote. Universal intercom pairing is to pair a non-Sena device such as a Kardon via Bluetooth. And factory reset. Should you wish to reset the device to factory settings, press the middle button. Exit exits this menu.